Hello everybody. My warm greetings to you all. Dear children, welcome you all to this English class. Now online classes are going on. I hope all you receive it in the right spirit. Here we aim to give you some support for your English language learning. It mainly intended for UP class students. Friends, no need to explain the importance and value of English language before you. It is quite inevitable in the modern world. Here, you are going to learn some tips and tricks of English language with a lot of fun. I am certain it will help you to develop your English communication skill. Before that, let me ask you a simple question. Do you know which is the most pleasing five-letter word in English? Got it? The most pleasing five-letter word in English is smile. Would you please spell it? S-M-I-L-E. You are right. Smile has a magical power to lengthen our lifespan. Of course, it beautifies your face too. So all of you smile please. Oh great, you all look so sweet. Shall we begin? Then let's get started.
Excuse me,
Yes.
could I make a call from your mobile phone?
What's wrong with your mobile?
I can't make a call. Balance is over.
Okay, then have it.
Hello? It's me, Reena. No. My balance is over. Yeah. I'll be reach at 5:30. Yeah. At 5:30. Okay. You please recharge soon. Thank you very much.
It's all right.
May I know your name?
I am Tessie Mary.
Oh, Tessie.
Right. Your name please?
I'm Reena.
Reena.
Where are you from?
I am from Guruvayur.
Oh, Guruvayur. Near the temple?
Not very close.
Oh,
You from?
I'm from Shornur. What are you doing?
I am a communicating English teacher.
English teacher.
Right.
Nice.
Are you working?
Yeah, in sales tax office.
Right.
What about your family?
My husband and two kids. One boy and one girl.
They may be studying now.
Right. Your family?
Husband and we have 3 children.
Right.
What about your husband? What is he doing?
My husband is a bank manager.
Oh,
Okay, my husband has visited me more than.
yeah. Anyway, very happy to meet you.
So do I. Okay.
Children, haven't you noticed how 2 ladies got acquainted with each other? 2 അപരിചിതരായ സ്ത്രീകൾ പരിചയപ്പെടുന്നതാണ് നിങ്ങളിപ്പോൾ കണ്ടത്. നോക്കൂ, നമ്മൾ പരിചയപ്പെടുന്ന സമയത്ത് നമുക്ക് കുറേ ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ ചോദിക്കേണ്ടി വരും. അവരുടെ ചോദ്യങ്ങൾക്ക് നമ്മൾ മറുപടി പറയേണ്ടി വരും. നമ്മളെ പരിചയപ്പെടുത്തുന്നതിനെ നമ്മൾ പറയുന്നത് എന്താണ്? സെൽഫ് ഇൻട്രൊഡക്ഷൻ. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും അറിയുന്നുണ്ടായിരിക്കും. സോ സെൽഫ് ഇൻട്രൊഡക്ഷൻ ഈസ് വെരി ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് ഇൻ അവർ ഡെയിലി ലൈഫ്. ഈ സെൽഫ് ഇൻട്രൊഡക്ഷൻ ഏതൊക്കെ ഇൻസ്റ്റൻസസിലാണ് നമുക്ക് ഉപയോഗിക്കേണ്ടി വരിക? പരിചയപ്പെടുന്ന അവസരത്തിൽ, ഒരു ഓഡിയൻസിനെ ഫേസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന അവസരത്തിൽ, അതുപോലെ ഇൻ്റർവ്യൂവിൽ പങ്കെടുക്കുന്ന അവസരത്തിൽ. In all these instances, it is very important to know how to say self-introduction and to ask questions related to self-introduction. Okay. So, let's see some self-introductions of your friends.
Good morning, friends. My name is Devika. I am from Paridur. I am in class 5. About my family, I have father, mother, sister, my loving grandpa and grandma. My father is a farmer and mother is a homemaker. My hobbies are singing and reading. My ambition is to become a well-known singer. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Raju from Karamanna. I am studying in 7th standard. My family consists of 5 members, father, mother and 2 siblings. My father is a bus conductor. My mother is a tailor. My hobbies are playing cricket and fishing. My ambition is to become a police officer. Thank you all.
Hi friends, I would like to introduce myself to you. I am Nandita Das from Amayu. I am in 7th standard. Regarding my family, my father, mother and my twin brothers. My father is an administrative assistant. My mother is a teacher. My hobbies are painting and dancing and I do enjoy reading. My goal is to become a college lecturer. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning everybody. Let me introduce myself to you. I am Fatima Swalhati from Malanjeri. I am a 6th standard student. There are 4 members in my family. Father, mother, 2 elder sisters and I. My parents are teachers. My hobbies are crafting, drawing and caring pets. My ambition is to become a teacher. Thank you. Take care.
Did you see 4 different types of self-introduction? While saying self-introduction, at least these points you should keep in your mind. What are they? Greetings, name, place, class, family, hobbies and ambitions.
Friends, getting acquainted with each other is very necessary in our daily life. Getting acquainted means പരിചയപ്പെടുക. I want to get acquainted with your teacher. എനിക്ക് നിന്റെ ടീച്ചറുമായി ഒന്ന് പരിചയപ്പെടണം. പപ്പ എൻ്റെ അച്ഛനുമായി പരിചയപ്പെട്ടോ? How can we ask? Papa, have you got acquainted with my teacher? Yeah, I got acquainted with your teacher. Yes, I got acquainted with your teacher. ഞാൻ ടീച്ചറുമായി പരിചയപ്പെട്ടു. Did you get? Right. Self-introduction, first point is greeting. What is greeting? When we meet a person or when we want to address with a group of people, we want to greet them by saying good morning, good afternoon or good evening. When can we say good morning? Up to 12 o'clock we can say good morning, up to noon, right? Then good afternoon, up to 4:30 we can say good afternoon. Then good evening, from 4:30 to night we can say good evening. Then when can we say good night? Good night is not a greeting word, it's a parting word. What is parting word? When we say goodbye, see you, നമ്മൾ പിരിയുമ്പോൾ പറയില്ലേ, വീട്ടിൽ പറയുമ്പോൾ, that's word is parting word. Okay? So at the time of self-introduction, don't forget to greet the person who listens you. Greeting others is a good habit. So make a habit of greet others by saying good morning, good afternoon and good evening with a smiling face. Read this. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Okay, next point is name. How can we say our name? 2 ways we can say. One is, for example, if your name is Raju, we can say I am Raju or my name is Raju. Okay? I am Raju or my name is Raju. Next point is place. How can we say our place? I am from Karalmanna. ഞാൻ കാറൽമണ്ണയിൽ നിന്നാണ് വരുന്നത്. I am from പട്ടാമ്പി. ഞാൻ പട്ടാമ്പിയിൽ നിന്നാണ് വരുന്നത്. Clear? So read this. I am from Karalmanna. The next point is class. ഏത് ക്ലാസ്സിലാണ് നമ്മൾ പഠിക്കുന്നത്? ഹൗ ക്യാൻ വി സേ ഇൻ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ്? ഐ ആം ഇൻ ക്ലാസ് 5th. Or we can say I am studying in 5th standard. Okay, I am in class 7. Or I am studying in 7th standard. Read it. I am in class 7. Or I am studying in 7th standard. Okay, then family. How can you introduce your family? Many ways we can introduce our family. See, one way is, my family consists of 4 members: father, mother, brother and myself. My family consists of, what is consist of? എൻ്റെ ഫാമിലിയിൽ ഉൾപ്പെട്ടിരിക്കുന്നത് എൻ്റെ അച്ഛനും അമ്മയും ചേട്ടനും. That is consist of. Clear? That is one way. The other way we can say, about my family, I have father, mother and 3 siblings. What is siblings? Siblings means സഹോദരങ്ങൾ. നമ്മുടെ കൂടപ്പിറപ്പുകളെയാണ് നമ്മൾ സിബ്ലിങ്സ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Clear? Okay, then another way is, regarding my family, I have father, mother, 1 elder brother and 1 younger sister. What is elder brother? Elder brother means ചേട്ടൻ. Okay, then younger brother means അനിയൻ. Elder sister means ചേച്ചി. Younger sister means അനിയത്തി. Clear? Okay, then read this. My family consists of 4 members: father, mother, brother and myself. About my family, I have father, mother and 3 siblings. Regarding my family, I have 1 elder brother and 1 younger sister. Then hobbies. How can we say? My hobby is playing cricket. If you have more than 1 hobby, you can say my hobbies are playing cricket and playing football. Okay, you read it. My hobby is dancing. Or my hobbies are fishing and vegetable cultivation. Okay, next point is ambition. Everyone will have ambition in their life. Okay, ambition or goal. Goal means lecture. How can we say? My ambition is to become a teacher. Or you can say, my goal is to become a bank manager. Or I would like to become a well-known singer. Clear? Read it. My ambition is to become a teacher. My goal is to become a bank manager. I would like to become a well-known singer. These are the key points of self-introduction. Clear? Now we can discuss what are the questions we can use to get the answer for this point. Right? See, name. What question we can use? Many ways we can ask. Commonly you say, what is your name? It is better you say, what's your name? Okay, then, who are you? Or, may I know your name please? Excuse me teacher, may I know your name please? That is more standard, right? See this? May I know your name please? Who are you? What is your name? Or what's your name? Place. If you want to know the place of your friends, what are the questions should you ask? Yes, where are you from? Or you can say, would you please tell me your place? Or which is your place? Okay, where are you from? Would you please tell me your place? Which is your place? Next point is class. ഏത് ക്ലാസ്സിലാണ് നീ പഠിക്കുന്നത്? How can we say in English? What class are you in? Or which class are you studying in? Clear? What class are you in? Which class are you studying in? Then family. ആരൊക്കെയുണ്ട് നിങ്ങളുടെ വീട്ടിൽ? നിന്റെ വീട്ടിൽ ആരൊക്കെയുണ്ട്? Who are there in your family? Who are there in your family? Or how many members are there in your family? How many members are there in your family? Or we can ask, what about your family? Read it. Who are there in your family? How many members are there in your family? What about your family? Then hobbies. Very simple. We can ask, what is your hobby? Or if hobby is more than one, we can ask, what are your hobbies? Okay? What is your hobby? What are your hobbies? Then ambition. നിനക്ക് ആരായി തീരണമെന്നാണ് ആഗ്രഹം? What would you like to be? Or we can ask, what would you like to become? See, what would you like to be? Or what would you like to become? So for self-introduction, these are the minimum points. When you reach higher standard, you can make necessary changes. Okay? So do one thing, say your self-introduction, take video and send to your teachers and friends. Clear? Now let's step into our next tip.
Hello.
I remember seeing you somewhere.
I know you. Tessie Mary? I never forget you. I made a call from your mobile.
Oh, Reena,
Yeah.
I got it. How is it going?
Going well. Thank you. How are you?
Pretty well.
You look so nice in this saree.
Thank you for your compliment. Why you here?
I'm waiting for a friend.
Okay. Anyway, it's my great pleasure to meet you.
Of course, you are right.
Okay, see you.
See
Bye.
you. Bye. Dear children, have you noticed that two ladies met again? Did you listen their talk? നോക്കൂ, നേരത്തെ പരിചയപ്പെട്ട രണ്ട് സ്ത്രീകൾ വീണ്ടും കണ്ടുമുട്ടുന്നു. അവരുടെ സംസാരം നിങ്ങൾ ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചുവോ? നമ്മളങ്ങനെ കണ്ടുമുട്ടുന്ന അവസരത്തിൽ എന്തൊക്കെ ചോദിക്കും? ഹൗ ആർ യു? നിങ്ങൾ എങ്ങനെ ഇരിക്കുന്നു? സുഖമാണോ? അപ്പോൾ അത് ചോദിക്കുന്ന അവസരത്തിൽ നമ്മൾ അവരോട് താങ്ക്സ് പറയണം. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ എപ്പോഴൊക്കെയാണ് താങ്ക്സ് പറയുക? നമുക്കൊരു കോംപ്ലിമെൻറ്റ് തരുമ്പോൾ, അല്ലേ? അതുപോലെ ഹൗ ആർ യു, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട്, സുഖമായിരിക്കുന്നു എന്നൊക്കെ ചോദിക്കുന്ന സമയത്ത് നമ്മൾ താങ്ക്സ് തിരിച്ചു പറയണം, അല്ലേ? സോ വി യൂസ് മെനി എക്സ്പ്രഷൻസ് ഇൻ അവർ ഡെയിലി കോൺവെർസേഷൻ. നൗ വി ആർ ഗോയിങ് ടു എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ ദ എക്സ്പ്രഷൻ ഹൗ ആർ യു. How are you is a common expression. Instead of that, we can use many expressions. See, how is it going? How have you been? In short, how you been? How you doing? How are things going? What are the news? What's up? What news? We can use all these expressions. How can we give responses to this? നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എങ്ങനെ ഇരിക്കുന്നു, സുഖമാണോ എന്ന് ചോദിക്കുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ വലിയ കുഴപ്പമില്ലാതെ നന്നായി ഇരിക്കുന്നു എന്ന് പറയാൻ നമുക്ക് പലതരത്തിലുള്ള റെസ്പോൺസസ് ഉപയോഗിക്കാം. എങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ പറയാം? Fine, not bad. Very well, thank you. Pretty good. Great. Everything going well. If the person is not physically well, we can ask, how have you been? How you been? എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട്? ഭേദമുണ്ടോ? അങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ ചോദിക്കും നമ്മൾ, അല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ എങ്ങനെയാണ് ആൻസർ പറയുക? ഐ ഹാവ് ബീൻ ബെറ്റർ. ഐ ഹാവ് ബീൻ ബെറ്റർ. ശരിയായി കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നു. ഇനി പ്രത്യേകിച്ച് വിശേഷമൊന്നുമില്ല, ഇങ്ങനെ പോകുന്നു. അങ്ങനെ പറയുകയാണെങ്കിലോ, ഹൗ ആർ യുവർ ഡേയ്സ് ഗോയിങ് എന്ന് നമ്മളോട് ചോദിക്കാം. അപ്പോൾ എങ്ങനെ ആൻസർ പറയാം? നത്തിങ് മച്ച്. ഓ, ജസ്റ്റ് ദ യൂഷ്വൽ. If the person is very busy, we can give response like, oh gosh, all kind of stuffs. Okay, I think all of you got it. Try to use these expressions and responses in your daily conversation. Okay,
Now you familiarized different types of expression instead of how are you. Okay? No need to learn all these expressions together. You can take 1 or 3 expression from this group and use in your daily conversation. See, for a long time you are listening us. Are you getting bored? It seems so. Then let's listen and enjoy a funny song. Sometimes this song may be familiar to you, but listen the lyrics. If you listen the lyrics carefully, of course this expression will easily stick in your mind. Hello Pumpkin, where are you?
I'm here, sir.
How is it going?
Pretty good, thank you.
Here children are waiting for you to listen your funny song. Would you mind singing now?
Of course not. I'm ready.
Then go ahead.
Where is the pumpkin? Where is the pumpkin? Here answer, here answer. How are you today, sir? How are you today, sir? Very well, thank you. Very well, thank you. We can meet again. We can meet again. Where is the pointer? Where is the pointer? Here I am. Here I am. How is it going? How is it going? Everything good. Everything good. We can meet again. We can meet again. Where is the middleman? Where is the middleman? Here answer. Here answer. What all the news, dear? What all the news, dear? Nothing much, sir. Nothing much, sir. We can meet again. We can meet again. Where is the ring man? Where is the ring man? Here answer. Here answer. How is your day going? How is your day going? Oh, just usual. Oh, just usual. We will meet again. We will meet again. Where is the small man? Where is the small man? Here answer. Here answer. What's up, you sweetheart? What's up, you sweetheart? Pretty good, sir. Pretty good, sir. We can meet again. We can meet again.
Hello. Did you listen her song? Did you enjoy it? Don't we want to appreciate her? When your friends do something good, how do you appreciate them? We can say good, very good. Normally we say good and very good. There are so many other beautiful appreciation words. Okay, let's learn that. Listen. Great, fantastic, amazing, marvelous, superb. So many words are there. Okay, you just read this. Got it? So when you get a chance to appreciate your friends, don't forget to use these words. Use these words and beautifies your communication. Alright? Now let's enjoy a wonderful song. Yes, how was the song? Superb? Could you see the richness and beauty of nature? Let me ask you a simple riddle related to this song. Listen please. I can live without you, but you can't live without me. Who am I? Did you get the answer? You might have got different answer, but my answer is nature. Yes friends, we can't remain on earth without nature. Nature is our mother. It's our duty to protect and preserve it. Here, your friends prepared some messages on World Environment Day. You can listen and read it.
Nature is our mother. Protect and preserve it. If you love nature, nature will love you. If you harm nature, nature will harm you. We can't sustain on earth without nature. If you kill a tree, you will kill a life. If you plant a tree, you will save a life. Plant the trees, love all creatures on the earth. Plant the trees, love all creatures on the earth. Living close to nature is living life in full.
Friends, we can't sustain on earth without nature. If we harm nature, nature will harm us. If we love nature, nature will love us. Dear children, realize the strength and greatness of nature. So, study nature, know nature, love nature. No nature, no man. That's a fact. Then let me give you a simple work. You can collect or write song about nature, or draw a picture about nature, and you can write some valuable message in it and send to this office. Of course, the best product will be telecasted.
What all we have discussed today? Self-introduction and the questions related to self-introduction. different ways of asking the expression how are you and its responses, Thumb King song, appreciation words, and the importance and values of nature.
Okay, let's wind up the class, okay? Keep a smile on your face.
Smile please.
Smile has a magical power to
Beautify your face.
smile, please.
Smile.